How to change your Spotify date of birth on phone. Hi everybody and welcome back. In today's guide, we are going to show you step by step to do so. So let's get started without any delay. First of all, open up the Spotify app on your phone and then you can log in if you have not already. And this is the following page. Now from here we can go to our profile. Look out for the profile option in the top left and tap on it in order to open up our Spotify menu here. And access our menu, we can tap on the view profile to access our menu here. It will show us our followers and following and our playlist as well. Now, in order to open up account settings, we can look out for the settings option directly and tap on it, the gear icon, and it will give us this option. We can directly look out for the account option, or let's head over to this option called view all privacy and social settings and access it up. And this will redirect us to this page right here. So if you want to change out your date of birth, you can either look out for that option within this section, or if not here, we can head over the account option within our settings. So to access it, look out for the profile in the top left and select settings and privacy instead. After that, go to account and this page opens up, and here we can look out for an option called account overview to view more account details on the web, and it will redirect us in a Spotify account in a browser. Now from here you can look out for option for edit personal info, tap on it, and there you can look out for section for date of birth, which is this one right here. Now if you want to change it, what you can do is you can select up a new year, what year you were born in, and your month and your date. After that, you country, your reason, and you can save up the changes by tapping on save profile, and the changes will be applied and the profile will be saved, and that's it. And that is how you can update your date of birth. Make sure your age is correct to avoid account restrictions, but usually this is how you should be able to do it, and you've successfully changed your Spotify date of birth on your phone. So if this tutorial helped you, like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.